Today, we're gonna learn colors at the WetnWild Waterpark in Toronto. This water park has so many fun slides. There are pink slides, white slides, colorful slides, and many, many more. Are you ready to learn and have fun? Oh, let's go! Speedie DiDi. Play structure is called Barefoot Bay. It kind of looks like a jungle. In this jungle, there's a huge bucket at the top that fills up with water. Once the bucket is full, it drops the water down so everybody can get completely soaked. Let's go explore this beautiful jungle! This place has so many cool things! Look! There are these blue tubes! So we could spray water on someone! Woo! That was awesome! Let's go! Look at that! This is a yellow water gun. And if you press over here, boink, 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 then water comes out over there. Look! How cool! Look over here! This is a blue faucet! And let's try to push it to go faster. Ready? Whoa, 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 whoa! Hurry up! Woohoo! The red bucket is gonna spill down! Wow! Hey, do you guys wanna go on a slide? I do! Do you want to go on a yellow slide? Or should we go on the purple slide? I choose purple. Here we go. Bye-bye. Wow! This park is awesome! Wow! Look at this yellow bucket! turn it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey friends, do you want to go on another slide? Yeah, I do too. We have a pink one here. And we also have a blue one. Let's go on the blue one. Wow, this water jungle was really fun. Why don't we go and enjoy the lazy river now? Come on! To go into the lazy river, we need to get one of these floating rings. Whoa! It's so big! So we can sit on it, whoop, whoa, and relax. Okay, ready? Let's go. Before we go into the water, it is very, very important to make sure that we're safe. So, before you go in, always make sure that you have an adult with you and one of these floating devices. So you can wear these arm floats that go whoop, whoop, like this, or you can wear a life vest like this one. These life vests are provided for free by Wet n Wild for everyone. I'm gonna wear this red life vest. Okay, friends, I have my life vest on and I am ready to go into the water. Let's get our ring and try to balance. Ready? Jump, 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 jump. Whoa! Bye-bye! Whoa, 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 whoa! Ah! La 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 la. Whoop, 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 whoop. What is that? Maybe it's a fish. Let's go get our fishing gear and try to catch it. We'll take a fishing net so we can catch fish in the water and our orange bucket to put the fish into. Let's go. Whoa, we got it. Let's see what it is. Wow, it's a red octopus. It's so cute. I wonder if there's more fish we can catch here. Let's go have a look. Whoa! Yes, I got something. Catching fish in the water is so fun! This is a green sea turtle! Hello, sea turtle! jump and jump and jump and jump. Hey, friends, we've been at the lazy river for quite some time. Do you want to go see some other fun attractions at this amazing water park? Let's go see what else there is. Come on! Wow, look at those slides! Oh, they look amazing! We gotta try them, come on! This ride is called the Klondike Express. To get on it, we need to grab one of these blue mats so we could lie down on this mat and then go down the slide fast, fast, fast. Whoa! I can't wait. Let's go up there. That was a long way up, but we're finally here. Woo! Oh, friends, look! There are 4 different slides for us to choose from. There is a purple slide, and there's also a pink slide. Have a look. We also have an orange slide. And we can't forget the yellow slide. Which one should we choose? I think, why don't we try the yellow one? Come on, let's go. Wow, this was so fast. We went right down. It was a great slide. Let's go look for some more fun slides to try. Here we go. Wow, friends! Have you ever tried slides like these? These slides are super fun. To get on them, we need to take one of these giant floating tubes. We could take this blue one, yo! Or we could take this big yellow one, yo! Hey, I think I'll take the yellow one this time. Come on, it's this way. Yay! We're here, friends!
was a really nice slide. We went woo, 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 woo.
Well, friends, I had such a great time with you at the WetnWild Waterpark in Toronto. Today, we learned colors, we rode slides, we swam in the lazy river. Oh, what a great day! I'm Speedie DiDi. Thank you for being with me, and I'll see you very soon.